What if I told you that most AI being used in factories is breaking the laws of physics and engineers have been using it anyway? But that is about to change. Welcome to Leansimcorp. I'm Rahul, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting breakthroughs in industrial AI. And trust me, this one is going to blow your mind. Here is the problem. Regular neural networks are incredible at finding patterns. You show them a million of examples and they'll learn the relationship. But here is what nobody tells you. They have absolutely no understanding of physics, zero. They are basically just sophisticated pattern matching machines. That causes huge problems. A 2022 study found that 35% of AI generated process optimization suggestions were physically impossible. Engineers were using AI and then manually checking if the suggestions violated physics. That is insane. So, scientists ask a brilliant question. What if we could teach AI the laws of physics from the start? Okay, let us break this down. And I promise, even if you hated physics in school, this will make sense. A regular neural network is finding a curve that fits the data, like connecting the dots. But here is the key. It does not know why the relationship exists. It just knows that it does. So you ask it to predict something slightly outside the training data, it can give you complete nonsense. Now, here is where it gets cool. Physics informed neural networks or PINNs embedded physics law directly into AI's learning process. Instead of just learning from the data, network has to satisfy fundamental physics equations at the same time: conservation of mass, conservation of energy, etc. Think of it like this. Imagine you are learning to draw a map, but someone tells you, by the way, angles of any triangle must add up to 180 degree. You are not just copying what you have seen, you are constrained by the geometry. PINNs work the same way. They are literally cannot predict something that violates conservation of energy. Here is the technical part. Don't worry if it looks scary. The AI is optimizing two things at once. One, match the training data. Two, satisfy physics equations. If it violates physics, it gets penalized. So it learns to never break the laws of nature. Now, this is where your mind should be blown. Watch what happens with the real examples. Scenario: you want to model a heat distribution. A regular AI approach, you did thousands or millions of measurements, months of data, cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Physics and for neural networks, 50 to 1000 measurements, and that is it. Because PINN already knows the heat equation, it knows heat flows from hot to cold. You don't need to teach it every possible scenario. Second demo, a fluid flow optimization. A regular AI predicted flow patterns that violated conservation of mass, fluid appearing and disappearing, completely useless. The PINN accurate predicted predictions that perfectly obeyed physics because it can't violate conservation of laws. They are built into the DNA. Now, I have to be honest with you. PINN aren't a magic solution to everything. There are real challenges. But experts predict that by 2026, this will be standard. This is the future arriving in real time. So, here is what I want you to take away. AI doesn't have to be a black box. We can build AI that respects the laws of nature. If you want to see more cutting edge technology industrial 4.0 concepts, hit that subscribe button. We are just getting started. Question for you: what industrial process would you want to model with physics informed AI? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching Lean Simcorp. Keep watching, keep simulating, and I'll see you in the next one.